Hi guys, welcome to Olive Garden. It's gonna be an hour and 10 minutes. But in the meantime, you can watch the intro to this video, okay? Okay.
You crazy mother...
What's up guys, welcome back to Kurt's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making the classic American bullshit Italian knockoff that is Olive Garden breadsticks. Always served lukewarm and bottomless for you to gorge yourself before reluctantly scarfing down your $14 shrimp Alfredo, especially made for you by some half-drunk chick from New England that got maybe 4 hours of sleep last night. Authentic Italian cuisine. Here's all the ingredients you guys will need for these breadsticks. You'll need 4 cups of flour, a cup and a half of warm water, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You're gonna need a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon and a half of salt, and some dry active yeast. Let's get started, guys. You know the drill. Get a whisk and a bowl, and let's go. That took like literally 7 times to get right. So, first thing we're gonna do is you're actually gonna just take your vegetable oil, your sugar, your salt, and then your dry active yeast. Let's just sprinkle that in there, get a nice little spread going. And then, here, let's warm up this water real quick. Just waiting for the microwave, you know? We're professional here in Kurt's Kitchen. Perfect, it's nice and warm. All right, then you're gonna take your warm water and just kind of gently pour that in. Now you're just gonna combine it really gently, stirring that around, get a nice little combination going. Gently, gently, gently. Gently. Now you're just gonna take a towel or saran wrap, put that right over there, put this bowl in a warm place, and then let it sit there for 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, shit. Whoa, okay. Check this out. I don't wanna hurt it. Look at that. That looks pretty good. It smells a lot like yeast. Okay, the next thing that we gotta do is we're gonna take our 4 cups of flour and we're gonna incorporate this little bits at a time. There we go. Okay, and then just mix it around until we have a nice ball of dough. Alrighty, we got our little baby all set up in a nice little ball. Now, the next thing we have to do is get a separate mixing bowl. Get yourself some cooking spray, give that a nice little coat. Then you're gonna transfer the dough ball into this other pan. Nice and neat there. Then, get your towel and just put that over there. You don't have to put it on any like tight or anything like that. Just kind of just put it over. Then you're gonna put this in a very warm place, like next to the window, something like that. And you're gonna let the dough sit for 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour. Time for the big reveal. Oh, look at this monster. So what we have to do next, get yourself a cutting board or some sort of big surface to roll out your dough on. Then you're just gonna put some flour on here so that your dough doesn't stick to your work surface. And then you're just gonna take this big boy out. Whoa, all right. And then we're just gonna kind of fold this over a bunch here, and then basically get this into a big rectangle shape. Let's get this right here. It's like that. Do you guys remember that Vine where it's like that mom or whatever, and she's on like a cooking show and she's got that piece of dough and I'll insert it.
Okay, I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy? All right.
And does that. All right, so we've got a pretty decent sized rectangle going on here. So what we need to do Get yourself a knife. Then we're gonna cut this big boy in half. Alrighty, so you get these 2 equal pieces. And then we're gonna cut them into 1-inch thick strips. Okay, we've got some varied shapes of breadsticks going on here. Check those out. But we're not done yet. What you gotta do next, get a couple baking sheets ready. Spray them down, nice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Okay, baking sheets are prepared, but you're gonna wanna let your breadsticks sit and wait for about 45 minutes to rise before we throw them in the oven. All right, back 45 minutes later, we've got ourselves some nice looking, just about doubled in size looking breadsticks. We have a nice round number of 19 breadsticks that made, so let's go ahead and get our butter mixture together for these. You're gonna get your melted butter from earlier and your garlic powder, just mix that together in the bowl here. Drizzle all this melted butter and garlic powder on our breadsticks here. Then we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes. Look at that. Look at the bottom of that. Let's get the mic on that. Wow. Awesome. You want to try one, Snow? Come here. Aww. Your favorite thing is bread, so there you go. What do you think, Mama? She's like, I want more. Okay, go on. Alright, let's dig in. Shit, I don't have any marinara sauce. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We're at like 150 subscribers right now. Let's keep it going. I'm really enjoying doing this for you guys. Be sure to comment down below. Did I already say like the video? Like the video, comment down below what you think I should cook next. Subscribe for new videos every single Saturday. And I'll see you guys next week. Thanks, guys.